name's Robbie Gunther. I'm a general superintendent for PML Construction. We're at Southeast Community College and their new welding facility that we did with Hausman Construction. This is roughly a 80,000 square foot welding facility that will help provide students with hands-on training. We're currently standing in the new commons area of that building. PML's scope of work on this project, we did the exterior framing and sheeting, the interior framing, interior drywall, interior acoustical ceilings, and the specialty wood ceilings throughout. These wood ceilings are a specialty wood ceiling product from CertainTeed. They help reduce on echo in big spaces like this and also provide a nice aesthetic value. Hausman had a phenomenal team on this one, and everything went together really